The afternoon light falls different through the window. Same room, same walls, but something shifting slow. You're folding up the blanket, we leave scattered on the floor. I watch your hands move, careful like they never did before. Something quiet in the way you're standing there. Where will you be when the seasons change? Will you remember the warmth of rain? Where will you be? We used to count the hours like they'd never run away. Now every minute feels too heavy, too afraid to stay. You're humming that old melody, the one you sing off key. I memorize the way you're looking at the door, the suitcase in the hallway we're both trying to ignore. Your fingers trace the table like you're writing something down. The message in the silence, in the slow unraveling now. Where will you be when the seasons change? Will you remember the warmth of rain? Where will you be? I'm grateful for the mornings, for the way you knew my name, for every small forever that we borrowed from the pain. What we had was beautiful, even if it's ending.